Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Food and Beverage Club. And today let's see what is an organization. Organization is a group of people working in a specified manner in order to achieve a specific goal. So organization can be defined as an open system that consists of patterned activities of people in order to achieve a specific goal or set of goals. Let's see what is an open system. Open system means organization interacts with the surrounding for exchanging informations and feedbacks. There are four key elements of an organization. The first is members, that is, people who comes together to make an organization. The second is goal, that is, the ultimate target of the members. The third element is work division, that simply means splitting the entire work and allocating it on the basis of the specialization. And the last element is process, that is, standard operating procedure in order to carry out any task. There is a need of relative stability among all the four components for the success of the organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel.